wondered why we don't do more events here. It's such an iconic property. I'm so happy Mami is opening this year at the Royal Opera House. It's fantastic. Super excited. You know, it's sad, but I think there is a lot of pressure, and I think that unfortunately cinema and culture will always remain soft targets. Having said that, I do believe that there will always be a price to pay and an outcome of aggression, and this is the outcome of that aggression. I think India has tried over the years to maintain peace and accord peace, but yeah, I think it's just made it impossible to stay that way. देखिए, जब ट्रेड बंद हो जाएगा, when we stop all economic exchange, that's when we, the people of both nations, will know that there is a serious stand being taken. I think that stopping cultural exchange is just the tip of the iceberg. There is so much more that remains to be understood and decided upon. I don't believe, I'm not against the argument that India needs to isolate Pakistan, in making them understand that they cannot support any kind of terrorism, that it is not just hurting their own people, it's also hurting their neighboring nations, and they have to act upon it. It's a very important thing to build pressure on the nation, but I think a very strong message will be to sever all economic ties, to sever all trade, to say that stop showing films and stop having any kind of cultural exchange is, I feel, just like a surface solution. It's not the real solution.
Yeah, there's something I want to ask you. Celebs doing brand endorsements is a common thing in India. Do you think the brand value or the popularity of the star is affected because they are removed from the as the brand ambassador?
I think fortunately and unfortunately public memories seem to be quite short. I said fortunately and unfortunately public memory seems to be quite short. It works for and against. You know, I know Anurag really well, and I think that the intention there was not to put an individual under harm's way. I feel that he is one of those personalities that has always treated men and women equally. And I think the intention really was to address what he was trying to address, and I don't think he perceived it as a threat to the individual. Had he perceived it as one, he would not have done it. That I'm pretty sure of. Thank you. I still can't believe it's been 15 years of रहना है तेरे दिल में. मैं जब मैडी से मिली वो वीडियो शूट करने के लिए, तो हम दोनों हंस रहे थे. He was 32 at the time, I was 19. I was a little baby. Time has really flown, but the love for that film has been extraordinarily overwhelming, and we're just really grateful to everyone for the love that they've given us. And I think as actors we're really lucky when we get to be a part of films like that we're remembered for. That's a special privilege. Thank you.
For more news and gossip, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.